We are in the hours, the moments before Snowmageddon 2018. The last snowstorm we had, I had mono, and that was 2 months ago now.
Yeah, no,
We're making a nice breakfast.
No, I don't have to have
That's
all
right.
the snow alone.
It's 8:24. We're supposed to get around 16 inches of snow. I just bit my tongue. The bird feeders are refilled for their snowy feeding. We're making breakfast now. We'll try and get some time lapses of the snow as it starts. Some snowblower action with yours truly. I'm pumped up for this storm. We even had like 2 inches here yesterday that we drove over in that show. All right, checking in later. Check out the January project. I don't think we've documented it on here yet. Here is the updated laundry room. Coloring. Today was the doorknob and the white door. Lovely. Looks good. New door pulls, new light switches, new light switch here, hooks for the Norwex, new nails, the aforementioned new doorknob. Win. Ooh. It's really coming down out there.
My mother is doing the walk of shame out of a frat house. Let's get out of here.
Okay, I'll go to make this bed. No, I don't want to eat these trees. I don't want to eat these trees. I'm going to stand here, and then I'm going to follow this. No!
That was Jackie being a deer.
It's so cute.
Because we have deer tracks in our driveway this morning. But it is 7:47 a.m. Snow blowing once happened last night, but it is still coming down out there. I do have a yardstick because we're in America. And we are going to have to At some point, go out and see how much snow we have. But it is
Baby,
still
it's so pretty.
coming down. Oh, there's the plow again down at the other road. Oh, he stopped. Oh, now he's reversing. That is not Nick Rosa. No.
Where'd he go?
Here now, it started at
Oh, there
what?
he is. Oh,
He's not doing very well.
I'm just making like little progress.
The storm started at 1:30, and now, let's say for math's sake, it's 7:30 in the morning. So
It's
it's
so pretty. I'm so jealous that we missed the deer. They were like, those are fresh tracks, honey. They were just recently walking through there.
It's been many hours of snow. 12 plus 6. 18 hours of snow so far? Is that true? Yeah.
Ate enough?
That bird can stand on snow. Wow. It's blustery out there now, too. They weren't joking. That's going to be hard to keep the snow off the driveway. First pass of the plow has come through, and it has left absolute carnage. We are more snowed in now than we were 5 minutes ago. Alpine Ridge is formed in the middle of the road.
I was in your mind, searching for